Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Faiza Ahmed, a psychologist from Pakistan. Worked a lot with marginalized populations suffering from HIV and AIDS and drug addiction. And I worked with men, women and children, all family members in this field. I'm internationally trained in this field and seek training from United Nations and many other well-known organizations. So I also attended the conference, an international conference, Respond Beyond Borders, to represent my organization's work in this field. Now I am here in Canada and I'm continuing my education in counseling psychology and doing my placement in Ontario, Canada. And in future, I want to be a psychotherapist and I want to work for the women here in Canada. I'm glad that I co-facilitated a group at my placement site, and that group was to support the women who were living with abuse. So basically my targeted area is to work with the women to benefit their mental health here in Canada. So I joined NISA Helpline like 8 months before, and I joined NISA Helpline because I was inspired from its vision, mission and values, because they were so much focused on the mental health of Muslim women, and in North America it is much needed service that I think that Muslim women need to talk to some professionals, and they need some help to work on their mental health, and there are so many barriers. They can't go to different centers, and it seems hard for them to mobilize themselves in the society. So I found that NISA Helpline is helping them anonymously and by ensuring their confidentiality, and so I thought that NISA Helpline is doing something that is the part of my vision and my larger goal, that they are focusing on Muslim women, and I couldn't find any other helpline for Muslim women here in North America. So I think that this is much needed service here in Canada. So I'm a student therapist here, and whenever I listen a call and helps a Muslim woman, I really feel self-fulfillment by helping them, by empowering them, by discussing with them about new options and about different perspectives, and by empowering them with different resources. So the purpose of my volunteer work with NISA Helpline is just to feel self-satisfaction by serving the Muslim women, and to empower them and to help them to think about their mental health and how they can maintain their mental health in a healthy way by maintaining their relationships. So I believe that this is much needed service here in Canada, and I will really support the cause of NISA Helpline. Jazakallah khair.